Hello everyone, let's make yummy party snack. This is definitely not what it looks like. Take 9 small potatoes, take sufficient water and boil these until fork tender. Add 1 teaspoon salt while boiling. Check with the fork. The potatoes are boiled perfectly. Transfer into ice cold water. Let these sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now wipe all the potatoes gently with a paper towel. Cut into halves. Scoop out gently with the help of a spoon as shown. Save the scooped out potatoes. We'll need these later. Sprinkle cornstarch on all the potatoes. Coat each potato gently and dust off the excess corn flour. Heat sufficient oil and deep fry the potatoes until golden and crisp. Fry them on low heat so the potatoes cook evenly. All the potatoes are fried. Now let's prepare the filling. Take the scooped out potatoes in a blender jar. Add 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 6 to 7 cashews soaked in hot water, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Blend until smooth and creamy. Transfer into a bowl. Sprinkle some salt on the potatoes. Fill the cavities with the prepared mixture. These potatoes taste like French fries dipped in creamy, yummy, cheesy sauce. Do try it out and share your feedback in the comment section below.